Alright, I think we are live now, and I think you can hear me. So what's going on here? What's going on today at Nice Micro's new place, which is very chaotic compared to my previous place, and I'm also out of water. Anyways, I will have to deal with the water situation later. Now, what's going on here is Godot 4 is out. Godot 4 is the default Godot version in Arch Linux. You can still run Godot 3 if you install it from the Arch user repository, but this was the point where we decided with the team that we will convert the game to Godot and Godot 4, and well, we did. And Moxolix even fixed some of the issues here, so if I open up the game, which what is going on here? Okay, so it's loaded. We can click around here. Oh, I can see the left arm is between our legs now. So yeah, we have our arms between our legs. Not very good. We cannot create a game. The game will basically say this is not something that can be done here. So this is not what we are going to be fixing here. Not the networking. That would require some thinking, which I am not qualified to do right now. What we are going to try to figure out is what's going wrong with the character. You can see if it's always the left arm is always there between the legs. I don't know what's going on with that. Maybe I can fix the character, maybe I can get the animations back. So last time I did the animations, this time I have to fix the animations. Anyways, so you can see Moxolix fix this. I can even like select character from there. Very good. So character selection, customization, that works. So Moxolix did that. Very good work. Now let's go to the problematic parts here. So first of all, our background scene is this, but it will also, I mean, it loads up UI elements, stuff like that. But not from the game. It loads up the appearance menu, for example. So even like the main menu, which is the main menu, this one. You can see that something's not right here. And this is the problem with the arms, that the arms should go up here, but instead it's the arms are hanging out from our crotch. For some reason, we have this menu character scene somewhere, which contains the skeleton 3D, which I don't know why is it this, but this became renamed to skeleton 3D. Why is this a skeleton 3D? This is what we need to figure out, but this is not going to be skeleton 3D. This is going to be, I will just rename it to player skeleton, because that is what it is actually. And if I save this, will this be changed here? No. I will have to manually rename it, but that's okay. That's not a big deal at all. And now we already changed a few things. Wow. Font label. Why did the fonts change suddenly? Skeleton, that's fine. Okay, I don't know what's going on here. TSCN files, am I right? They are weird. But I still, okay. I want to see what's up with, let's just go into the src directory here. So git diff UI elements, assets, themes, suspect, font, label dot dres. Image a y5, instead it became image de. And there's a lot of numbers that are the same. Okay, well, sorry, I'm probably giving my viewers migraine here. Okay, let's get rid of this. So let's figure out what the heck is going on here. So we have all these, what are these? Polygon 2Ds. Okay, I think maybe I should increase the UI font size, I think. Yeah. I think it used to be 22. And now my viewers can also read what's on the screen. Very good. Very good. Okay, so we have Polygon 2D here. Color white. So this is become Big Tofu Man, I guess. So skeleton, it belongs to a skeleton. But the skeleton is acting up here. Left shoulder. I cannot move the left shoulder for some reason. Bone 2D. XX, XY, XO. This is the hip, this is the left shoulder. Set positions 150 and it goes back to 0. Okay. Auto calculate length. Show bone gizmo. What's up with the left shoulder? So right shoulder I can move. I don't want to, but I can. Why cannot I move the left shoulder? And that is something I want to know. And also I want to know, why is this white? What is the big white thing? Head hair. Okay, so left arm. It is a polygon 2D. Why don't we have a texture? Quick load, yeah. Not icons, we need assets, textures. Do we need assets / textures? What do we need? Can I resize this? Yeah, okay, so maybe I'll just load something here. Let's go to game, horizontal UI element. Where are these supposed to be? What did the quick load tell me? So quick load tells me game character. Okay, that actually makes sense. So game character assets. And what we need are the textures. This is left arm, so let's go to left arm. And I guess the original character is white red shirt, so that's what we're gonna do. Left leg, okay, and we can see the arm over there now. So left leg will have a texture. I wonder, okay, I can just go in here, go back one. And then left leg. Great. Pants, texture, load. I go up one, and this is going to be pants, which I guess it's trousers for your British speaking people over there. So what else? We have right leg, load, go up, right leg, and just add this one. Then body, okay. No, go back. Load, we'll load the body. I guess it doesn't really matter which one. Dude. What's going on here? Why? Why are you dead suddenly? Yeah, it seems like Godot 4, ladies and gentlemen. Can I close you? Yeah. Did anything happen here? Just everything turned to black, I guess. Okay, this is not working, so... I guess I have to kill Godot sometimes. Alright, let's go back to the OpenSuspect here. Let us see what will happen. Okay, I guess I did not save any of this progress, so... Start again, left arm. Left leg. No, texture, no. Let's save this before I load the next one. So left leg. Okay, pants. Load. Pants. Okay, right leg. Load. Right leg. And until this point, we'll save the project. See what the heck is wrong with loading the body. Okay, nothing. This time it works. Great. Okay, texture, load the clothes. Now we need clothes. So let's go up one. Clothes and this one. Okay, mouth. We'll go up one here. Go to mouth. And I guess smile.png will make and will be good. Next, facial hair. So let's load the texture again. Go up once, facial hair. Let's open this. Then let's go face wear. Just texture and load. We'll go up one and face wear. Guess you can add the monocle here. Head hair, we did the same thing again and again and again. Load up. This is kind of not the most exciting stream here, I guess. What are we? Head hair. Hat. Okay. Now we can actually see the character. And next, right arm is the last one. So let's load. Let's go up one and then right arm. Great. Okay, so now the texture is fine. At least we can see what the hell is going on, even in the editor, not just in the game itself. So now, First need to figure out what's up with the left shoulder. What is different to the left shoulder and the right shoulder? Rest is so the rest. Maybe that is what we should change here. Okay, so what is the problem with you? What is the problem with this? Auto calculate length. So these are all like XO and X and YO seem to be always the same for everything except for the left shoulder. So what is the problem with the left shoulder here? We can skew it. Skewing works. Rotation. Yeah, rotation and position does not work. Scale. Scale works. What is wrong with the position here? Material, texture, ordering, visibility. There is nothing there that should be different. Bone 2D. This is skeleton 2D. Why is this named skeleton 3D? It's to confuse the enemy, I guess. Rename node, that works. But if I just say set rotation, there is no error message over there. Skeleton.tscn. Left shoulder. Can I change this? No. What is wrong with you? I cannot move the hip either. Okay. I could move the skeleton itself if I really wanted to. That makes sense that I cannot move the first bone. Because first bone is just the origin of the skeleton, right? Alright, modification stack. I don't know what that is. We have the hip bone, which is this. And the spine is up there, that is fine. Left shoulder is down here for some reason. Left shoulder. View. No, we don't need view, we need skeleton options. Show bones. Yeah, I guess I can just hide them. Lock selected nodes. No, it was not locked, okay. There used to be, okay, skeleton 2D. Reset to rest pose. Because if I move these arms, for example, up to the well above there, I can go to skeleton, reset the rest pose, and it's reset here. That works quite nicely. Why? What is wrong with the shoulder? And now where is the arm? Where is the left arm? Okay, now the left arm is up there. Okay, so if I like hide everything here with like body and clothes, yeah, we can see the left arm is up there, but the skeleton is down here. Okay, maybe what I should be doing is just X shoulder. This will be named X shoulder, and I will just add a new child node, which will be bone somewhere. Bone 2D. I will rename this left shoulder. Put it up wherever the X shoulder is supposed to be, which is 155. And what? Minus 155 and something. Minus 155 and let's do this. Minus 155. Oh no, this is plus 155. What am I doing? Minus 180. Maxwellix, welcome to the chat. How has the skeleton porting been coming along so far? Well, I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm still doing it. I figured out this is why we have something behind there, because the left arm, the left shoulder, cannot move that up where it's supposed to be. What's going on with the left arm? Where did I put the left arm? Why did the left arm suddenly disappear? So it's something very annoying, which I have no idea what's going on. But now, where did the left arm disappear? Where did it? Why did it? Why? Okay, let's put the left arm to the left shoulder instead of the X shoulder. And I guess left shoulder this. Okay, let's reset. We need to put this one as the. Okay. Okay, this is the arm now. Alright. Will be fixed very soon. So I can move it up there. Okay. This is what we have now. Your arm is between your legs. Okay, and now let's go back to skeleton and reset to rest pose. Alright. Now I can remove the X shoulder. Delete node. Great. Now what I need to figure out here is to where exactly put this shoulder, because that is not where it's supposed to be. Should be somewhere around here, I guess. So minus 180 will stay minus 180, and this one will be 105 maybe. Let's go skeleton and Override rest pose. Okay. This looks fine for me. Yeah, okay, so now if I save this and run the project, everything breaks. Skeleton apply appearance. On null instance. Oh, what have I done? Oh, because I renamed it as skeleton, because it's not a skeleton 3D, it's skeleton 2D. But it got auto-renamed to skeleton 3D for some reason. Okay, what's broken now? Skeleton null, why? What did I do wrong? It's player skeleton, skeleton 2D. Oh, I also renamed this to player skeleton. Oh no, okay, so actually no, this is what I renamed. This is the problem I have, not that one. So this is called player skeleton. Let's start again. Alright, now our arm is not between our legs. Very fine, very good. It didn't take into account the skeleton was skeleton 2D. Because the old skeleton 3D node was named just skeleton. Yeah. But what I'm really pleasantly surprised by is that the colors work, so the shader just works. I don't know what happened to the shader, but it definitely works. So I can make my character look whatever I want to look like. Okay, so this is the good, I think. Skeleton. I am very happy that the shader conversion worked. I am very happy because I absolutely forgot how the heck that thing works. I know I made a YouTube video about the shaders. I probably could figure it out just by watching that, but anyways, so this is good. Now we're back to skeleton. The animation is what I'm really okay, so we have the animation tree. Okay, so the animation tree has a start and an end thing over here. So I guess the animations themselves, idle, walk, and reset animation, those got converted. The main thing it seems to have changed in shaders across versions was type hints. Ah, okay. So the color picker code has to be changed, but I mean, the color picker is not, yeah, that's kind of a little more than the shaders, I guess, but apart from that, they have been fairly compatible. That's good. That's very good. Now I'm guessing that maybe I have to just create like a connect the nodes here. Yeah, the animation seems to be working. And now walk. Why is this? Yeah, so the idle animation, okay, the walk animation plays once, I don't know. What is end? Do I have to connect the end somewhere, or doesn't? What is the end animation? Okay, animation player. We have idle animation, reset animation, and the walk animation. And I want The animation tree can play mode travel. Okay, what am I doing here? Reset. Can I just play the animation here? Why can't I play the animation? Shouldn't back arm be going the other direction? I mean... Yeah, oh, yeah. That's probably got borked because I had to change the thing over there. Or something. I have to add the left shoulder back because that got removed. So left shoulder, eh? I need to add the animation track for that. How do I do that? Good question. Add track. What type of tracks are these? Oh, come on. Don't die on me. Why does Godot die on me? Hi P4, welcome to the chat. They walk differently depending on what country they are from. Maybe this one imagines he's skiing while he's walking. That is a good explanation. But now Godot is frozen again. Come on. Alright. Kill and restart. Well, we need that as an Easter egg. I mean, we can add like different type of animations and just sometimes when you walk like maybe down in like what is it called? Like not straight down, but like down at an angle. If you walk down at an angle for long enough, it switches to an animation where it just tries to plays like the skiing motions. Sometimes that could be an Easter egg, I think. Okay, so where did we end up? Okay, so do I need to connect to the start with the idle, I guess? But also stop playing the animation. Stop. End. Diagonal, yeah, diagonal, that's the word what was I looking for, because there was this old game in Windows 3.1 maybe, where you like ski down the hill diagonally. That's why I thought about it when you mentioned the Easter egg. Okay, so we need a left shoulder track here, add track. Then it's add a property track, I guess. And there will be left shoulder. And we need a rotation for this one. Rotation and position, I guess. Can I add 2 with shift or control? No. What are these? How are these? What kind of track are you? Tell me more about yourself. "3D position track, I don't know." Bezier curve track. Is it just a regular Bezier curve track? Left shoulder, okay. Rotation. Open. No. Okay, so this is this dot in the beginning, that is blue, but that is white for everything else. So I guess property truck was property track. Why am I saying property truck? And left shoulder property, and property will be rotation. But has this been added to the reset track too? Because that was the thing that the old Godot was doing. That the reset, it added a reset track. Yeah, good weekend, P4. And goodbye from the chat. Or whatever. Okay, so there was this option to have the reset track, which just resets everything. You can see it like here, everything is just set to back to 0, I guess. So maybe I have to add the property track and the left shoulder here too by myself. Rotation, okay. Add the keyframe. What? Do I have to like select the right shoulder here and add the rotation keyframe? No? Insert key. Create a new track for property, position, and insert key. No. Okay, oh, because I turn. Oh, okay, so now it will only add the rotation key. What? Oh, no. Wasn't there a right shoulder already? I have no idea what I'm doing here. Left shoulder. Okay, escape. Leave me alone. Stop. What's going on here? Okay. Left shoulder. I want to select the left shoulder. I want to select... What the heck is going on with this? Okay, so left shoulder. Add a rotation keyframe. Good. Right shoulder, add the rotation keyframe. Create. Okay, now the reset track has everything here. Everything is going to be reset. That's the what it should be doing. Left arm, right leg, right knee, right foot, right toe 1. Left leg, left knee, left foot, left toe, left something. Okay, so shoulders, okay, everything is here. Great. Now, idle animation. Idle animation, how does it look like? Why cannot I just play the idle animation here? I am absolutely lost. So animation tree. That is fine that we have the animation tree, but I just want to play with the animation player itself. Am I allowed to just see the animation one by one and just scrub this? What's wrong with you? So I cannot, even if I play it, okay. So it plays the animation in like ghost mode. What's going on there? No, come on. Do something. Okay, it doesn't do anything good for me. Okay, so let's just check what the heck is going on here. So time 0. And what is the animation track key edit? Does idle even work in the animation tree? Yeah. It works in the animation tree. Animation tree. Oh no! Why does Godot always freeze up for me? Maybe I should have updated or something. Is there a new version in the Arch repos since I updated? I updated maybe 2 weeks ago. Oh no, I should have updated. Let's see, Godot in Arch Linux. Install the Godot package, which has been last updated 23rd. I think I updated I updated 2 weeks ago. Did I update last week? Yeah, I think I updated last week. But that might be... What is my Godot version? Pacman-qi Godot. Oh, no, it was installed March 19. 4.0. Okay, maybe I should update my Godot version. Node not found. If X shoulder, yeah, because I deleted that, but what is animation tree reset, couldn't resolve track X shoulder position Y. Maybe that's why your converted results are different than mine and Monban's. Yeah, probably. Yeah, probably that's why it didn't work out, because I just missed the latest update of Godot. Okay, go back to the animation tree. So you can connect this one here, I guess. Wait, do we have at least like a start animation or something? It's the idle animation. It works. It's the only thing that's missing is that this shoulder should rotate. So of course those things that have been removed because I had to remake the left shoulder because it didn't work. So first of all, reset animation, add the rotation keyframe there. Is it possible to move this up and down? I guess not. Okay, let's just save this. And also we need to go back to the idle animation, add the keyframe here. So I think the left shoulder, we add the keyframe here, the same as the left arm. Not record, sorry, keyframe. And then keyframe this one also, and then what happens here is that for the right arm, or the right shoulder, I guess, how do I see the rotation? Okay, so this is the keyframe we can see over there. No? So what is this keyframe? At time 3. We cannot see what is the rotation. How do I enable view? Skeleton options. No, I just want to see the animation actually on this track. So I can see, like, if I scrub, you can see those kind of the ghosts of the skeletons move around, but it's not moving around the skeleton itself. Animation properties. I don't even see What if I just disable the animation? Can I disable the animation tree for a moment here? Yeah, let's turn it off. And go to animation player. Okay, now we can see what's going on. So right shoulder turns -9 degrees. So maybe that's what I'm going to add here to the left shoulder. -9 degrees rotation. Add the rotation keyframe. And here the left shoulder, or the right shoulder goes back to 4 degrees. So maybe I will add a 4 degrees to the left shoulders here. And then I guess this goes back to 0, so we can just have the next rotation at 0 here and add the keyframe. What? Add the keyframe here and then... Wait, what? No, we have to go to 0 here. And add the keyframe. No, not here. Here it has to be 0. This keyframe, delete. And then here we add another 0 keyframe just for good measures. And then here for good measures also. What's going on with left arm? Okay, so this is the idle animation. This is nice, but when I actually went to right shoulder and wanted to add the keyframe here, it asked me if I want to create a reset track, which I do want because... Wait, what? Oh no, rotation degrees and rotation are different. And this is... No. What? Let's go on to rotation. Do I now have a rotation and rotation degrees for... whatever I was doing over here? Right shoulder, where is the right shoulder? The right shoulder is nowhere in the reset track. Interesting. Okay, now we have it. So now let's save this. Now if we go back to the animation tree, turn it on, you can see like it moves. Okay, great. If I want to move to the walk, it moves to the walk. The walk node, it should always repeat itself. How do I... Is it possible to... like this one? How do I make this let's save. How do I make this to repeat itself? If I play reset, it resets everything. Great. If I play idle, Yeah, anyways, let's go back to the walking animation and let's fix that. Animation walk. Maybe this play mode. Is there a play mode? Okay, so play mode. Where is play mode? Second. Is there in the animation tree play mode? What am I missing here? Audio, no. Road motion parameters. Do I have like a right click? No. Oh, this is play mode travel. This is just this one. This is how you transition from one animation to another. So it's for example when it's walking or when it's idle and the arms are moving and I move to walk, it will blend the two animations together. But for some reason it's not repeating the animation. The animation tree, let's process callback idle, that's fine. Turn this off and let's figure out the walk animation here. Right shoulder, and of course we need the left shoulder also. And so now, no, this property is edited in the inspector in degrees. If you want to use degrees in a script, use rotation degrees. Okay, so now it became just confusing that rotation in the editor means degrees, rotation in code means radians, and the rotation degrees in the code means degrees. Okay, let's keep this in mind. So the right shoulder, how does, okay, can I zoom in here? Alright, so right shoulder animation moves from 0, it goes to 24, then back to 0, then minus 30. And then of course it should go back to 0. Animation looping, this is the one I think we have to turn on. Okay. I guess that's something that did not get converted. Now it's good. Now reset. Now idle. And even while moving, we can transition into walking. And we will have to... Oh, now none of the shoulders is moving. It's kind of like walking and wanking at the same time, but not really. It's not really how walking should look like. What the heck is going wrong here? Okay, let's turn this animation tree off. And let's looking sus. Yeah, very sus. What's up with the right shoulder? Why isn't the right shoulder rotating? It should be. It's supposed to be rotating. It moves back and then moves forward. So the same should happen to the left shoulder, just in the opposite direction, I guess. So left shoulder rotation, give it a keyframe here. And when the right shoulder is here minus 30, so the left shoulder should be minus 30 here, I guess. And then go back here to 0. Oh, I did not make the keyframe. We go here, we go back to 0. And then So the left shoulder here is, oh no, right shoulder here is 24. Okay, so maybe I do the 24 for the left shoulder here. Okay, let's go back to the animation tree. And let's see. Why isn't this left? So why isn't the left shoulder moving? What's up with that? The left shoulder is broken somehow. Let's go to the animation player back here. Where is the left shoulder? Oh no, that's the right shoulder. So the right shoulder is broken. So what if I just change the rotation? Am I making anything sensible here? Oh. Yeah, now it's in radians for sure. Interesting, why doesn't it work in the animation tree suddenly? And neither for the idle. Very suspicious. But anyway, is it saved? Let's save it, yeah. Maybe that's the problem. Let's save it, let's see it again. No, the rotation is not working. So maybe I'll have to delete and redo the rotation due to unforeseen conversion errors. Okay, so let's, what is that? The right shoulder, garbage track. The garbage truck takes away the track. Alright. Now let's add a keyframe there and create the reset track. And now it's gonna be 22 or what was that? 24 degrees or whatever. Create the keyframe. Go back to 0. Create the creep. Check for console errors. So it's just X shoulder is it's complaining about X shoulder still. Is it? Or was it only complaining back then? Minus 30. Let's keyframe it. Okay, now walking. Let's do the idle animation also. So right shoulder. What's up with the right shoulder here? So 0 degrees, it goes up minus 9, 4, and back to 0. Okay, minus 9, 0, minus 9, 4, back to 0. All right. 0, 0, 0, then -9. Then 4. Then back to 0. And that is also, let's keyframe everything, let's save it. Let's go back to the animation tree. I guess I deactivated it. So idle. Now it works. Now let's move to the walking animation. Okay, I think it works. And that's as far as we can test, because or to test it in the game should be working, should be able to be created or something, which is currently not the situation we are in. But I think I'll just close this. Okay, and let's open the Godot editor again. Let's check for console errors. Node not found. X shoulder. Scene animation tree. .cpp animation tree reset couldn't resolve track. X shoulder. Okay, so I need to manually remove that somehow from the animation player. Which, yeah, of course, I deleted the node, but it seems like Slayer skeleton. There is one question though, which now I don't understand why something works. So why does the left arm, which is here, why does it work? If I go to the UV editor, bones, and left shoulder, it works, even though this is not the same left shoulder we had. So I renamed the original bone that suddenly wanted to be at the crotch instead of at the shoulder. I removed that, I renamed that to X shoulder, created a new one called left shoulder, and it seems like this part, the what is it, the polygon part, it just rolls with that. But the animation actually was looking for the node, or rather the node, when I renamed the node, it renamed its animation track, and when I removed the node, the animation track has not been removed. No bone two children of node are hand, cannot calculate bone length or angle reliably. Okay, I guess those bones that have no children, like head, those cannot be auto-calculated. I guess that's what it's trying to tell me. So let's remove the auto-calculate here. And here. And also here. And we also should remove the X something. X shoulder. Okay, how do I remove X shoulder? Well, I can just do RG X shoulder. That's okay, that's in the skeleton. Should I just go in and edit game/character/skeleton.tscn, and I want to go to line 86. Sub-resource animation ID equals 3. Track X shoulder position Y. Tracks 0, type busy, false. Okay. What will happen? Let's add everything. Let's track everything with Git before I do anything stupid here. And let's edit line 86. Can I remove all of these without breaking everything? We'll see. Now output. Can't open file from path. Character access shaders character outline.gshader. Condition proxy that is valid is true. Blender file import is enabled with no Blender path is configured here. That's not a problem. Okay, let's go to the animation tree. The animation works. Okay, if I save the project, close Godot, let's see, git status. I don't know what the heck is going on with the font labels. UI elements, assets, themes, suspect font label dot tres. Why is this? What is this that it always changes? Resource type image ID equals always something else. Why? And if I just want to say git and div game character skeleton.tscn. Okay, it actually, I guess, recalculated the animation tracks. No? Wait, what? And just removed all the animation information. The heck is going on here? But if I open Godot, load the project, the animation is here, it works. So save changes before closing. Yeah, I guess save and quit. It seems to be working now. Which is POG indeed. I know people just say POG, but whatever. close. I desperately need to upgrade Godot. These are removed, nothing is added. Character skeleton.tsn. Okay, git restore. And also git restore staged UI elements assets themes. And git restore. Main menu, menu base, menu character tsn. Okay, so these things changed. Skeleton tsn also changed. Great. I'm just... Oh, okay, so these are the actual changes to the original version. A lot of things deleted. The animation information all deleted. And here it goes something else. Okay, I'm not exactly sure what's going on. But if I open Godot... Alright, thanks Muxflex, and I think I will soon just make a pull request from this one, because as far as I can tell this works. I'm just trying to understand if I can break it. But it's not, it seems like everything is fine, like character look fine, the arms move properly, the walk moves properly. See ya. And if I run the game, yeah, it's actually the idle animation actually plays, which I don't know if we want this or not, but this is how it is now. Maybe we could like make this character sometimes to walk, sometimes just idle, sometimes, you know, just randomly, sometimes like turn around while we change these things. Anyways, this works, and I'm gonna close this, and I'm gonna git status. And what have happened? What have changed for all of these things? Git diff game characters skeleton.tsn. What the heck is this? UI elements menu character.tsn. Shader material. I don't know, what's this? And let's just git commit -m character sprite and name animations fixed. Fixed character. So I'm gonna push this to my repository. And I will make a pull request. Pull requests. Nice micro fixed character had a recent push, yes. Fixed character sprite and animations. Fixed character sprites, skeleton, and animations. Create pull request. And I would like to say that today's stream... No, not there. This is into Godot 4. Change base. Yeah, character animations and sprites and... Okay, now this is a fine pull request. We are going to merge it to OpenSuspect Godot 4. We are not touching the main base or main branch yet, because the main branch is the alpha version in Godot 3. Anyways, this is what we're working on, Godot 4 branch. 8 commits out of main, very good. Alright, this is the end of today's episode. Thank you for watching, have a good day, bye bye.